Hi everyone! Kumusta na po kayo? How are you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine today. Yeah, please come and join me make or bake some orange chocolate soft cookies. Yan. I use 2.5 cups of orange pulp from using leftover from my juicing. Yan. Ginamitan ko lang po siya ng 2.5 cup of orange pulp na ginamit ko. Yan yung tira sa paggawa ko ng juice. Yan. Yan, the pulp and the rind. Magkasama po yan. Tapos alisin nyo lang kung ayaw nyo ng buo-buo. Just remove the kind of whole pieces of orange. Yan. And I hope you gonna like my recipe. Yan. Then I'm gonna add eggs. 5 large eggs. Whole large eggs. Yan. Then, just beat it. Haluin niyo po siyang mabuti. Ng mixer or kung meron kayong blender or processor, yan. Gamitan niyo lang siya ng Tapos, lalagyan ko po siya ng olive oil. I'm gonna add olive oil. Half cup of olive oil. Yan, di ko na nilinis yung yung measuring cup ko. Yan. Beat it really good. Mix well. And then I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of water. Yeah, continue mixing it. Yeah, maganda yan sa maganda yan sa katawan, yung pulp. Yung rind, yan. Makes it really good. Nandyan kasi yung fiber. At saka mabango ang orange. Yan. Mix it well. And I'm gonna use organic flour. That's 3 cups of flour. Then set it aside. Then I'm gonna get that's baking soda. I added 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And I'm gonna add salt, half tablespoon of salt. And then half cup of brown sugar. You can adjust your sugar. You can add less or you can add more to it. Kung gusto niyo po mas matamis, dagdagan nyo. O kung ayaw nyo naman, wag masyadong matamis, then adjust your sugar. And I added 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Yan. You sift it. If you don't like it, then just mix it up really well. But sifting is better because that way you can it mix up really well before you even add it to your liquid. Yan. Mas maganda kasi na sinisift ang flour kasi that way yun pong yung ingredients nyo mas na separate silang mabuti. Yan. Para yung baking soda aalsa, parang ganun. So, I'm gonna add another half cup of flour kasi medyo basa. So, you can actually see if you wanna add more to it, or if you like it a little drier, or you want it too moist. So, you can adjust your flour. Yan. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking up with me and all your patience. Yan. Maraming salamat po. Sana magustuhan niyo po itong niluluto ko. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Yan. Yan. Haluin niyo po siyang mabuti. Then choose your add your favorite chocolate chips or any chocolate that you have. I use the chocolate bar with almond. Yan. Then mix really well. That's about a pound. You can add as much chocolate as you want. Chocolate chips. Yan. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Yan. Then bake it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.